Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. This is Mageshwari. I am from Department of SNH Mathematics. Today we are going to see about the topic is change of order of double integration. So there are two content is there. First one is change of order of the integration. The second one is area in Cartesian coordinates. So first one we see that basic double integration definition is here. So first there are two cases exist for the region is given. Okay, so if the region is given, case one is first integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x. For this case, draw a strip parallel to y axis. The limits of y are in a function of x in both lower and upper end of the strip. The limits of x should be constants which are given at extreme right and left of the origin or region. So next see this case 2. So first integrate with respect to x, then integrate with respect to y. For this case, draw a strip parallel to x axis. The limits of x are in function of y in both lower and upper end of the strip. The limits of y are constants which are given at extreme lower and upper end of the strip. So next go to the main definition of change of order of integration is there. So see the definition. So in double integral, if the limits of integration are constants, then the order of integration is immaterial provided the limits of integration are changed accordingly. Then double integral c to d a to b f of x comma y into dx dy. This is equal to double integral a to b c to d into f of x comma y into dy into dx. But if the limits of integration are variable, a change in the order of integration necessarily the change in the limits of integration. A rough sketch of the region of integration help in fixing the new limits of integrations. So this is called the change of order of integration. See the problem. So first problem, evaluate double integral 0 to infinity x to infinity e power minus y by y into dx into dy. So solution, so we have considered the given problem 0 to infinity in integral x to infinity e power minus y by y into dx into dy. So here the elementary strip PQ extends from y equal to x to y equal to infinity, and this vertical strip slides from x equal to 0 to x equal to infinity. The shaded portion of the figure is therefore the region integration. On changing the order of integration, we first integrate with respect to x along a horizontal strip RS which extends from x equal to 0 to x equal to y to cover the region y equal to 0 to y equal to infinity. See the following diagrams. So therefore, integral 0 to infinity dx, integral x to infinity into e power minus y by y into dy. This is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus y by y into dy, integral 0 to y into dx. So inner integral first term is y is here, therefore we have to integrating with respect to y onwards. Therefore this is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus y by y into dy into second term answer is x. So apply the limit 0 to y. So therefore this is equal to integral 0 to infinity y into e power minus y by y into dy. So simplify the above equations, getting the final result is 1. Hence the solution. See the next example problem. Change the order of integration in capital I equal to integral 0 to 1 integral x square to 2 minus x xy into dx into dy, and hence evaluate this same. So solution is here. So we have considered I equal to integral 0 to 1 integral x square to 2 minus x into xy into dx into dy. So see the diagram. The region of integration is shown by shaded portion in the figure bounded by the parabola y equal to x square comma y equal to 2 minus x for y axis x equal to 0. The point of intersection of the parabola y equal to x square and the line y equal to 2 minus x is b of 1 comma 1. In the figure below, the left side is here. So we draw a strip parallel to y axis, and the strip y varies from x square to 2 minus x and x varies from 0 to 1. Therefore, on changing the order of integration, so we have take a strip parallel to x-axis in the area OBC and second strip in the area CBA. The limits of x in the area OBC are 0 and root y, and the limits of x in the area CBA are 0 and 2 minus y. So, the given integral is, this is equal to integral 0 to 1 into y dy. The second term is integral 0 to root y into x into dx, plus the third term integral 1 to 2 y dy. The fourth term is integral 0 to 2 minus y into x into dx. So, first we have inner integral y term is here for both two terms. Therefore, first we have to integrating with respect to inner interval term. The next we have to integrating with respect to x term. Okay. So, integral 0 to 1 y dy into x square by 2. So, apply the limit 0 to root y plus integral 1 to 2 y dy into, so integrating with respect to x term, getting the result is x square by 2, close the bracket, 0 to 2 minus y. So, this is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 0 to 1 y square into dy plus the next term is 1 by 2 taken outside, the remaining term integral 1 to 2 y into 2 minus y square into dy. So, simply the above equation. So, getting the final result 3 by 8. So, hence the solution. See the next topic, double integrals over rectangles. So, double integrals are used to calculate the area of a region, the volume under a surface and the average value of a function of two variables over a rectangular region. So, this is called a rectangular region. So, there are 6 rectangle region notes is here. So, see the note first one, let p equal to x0, x1, k etc. to xn, and a equal to x0 is less than, x1 is less than, a less than, xn equal to b. Then p is called a partition of the closed interval a comma b. See the second note, define del xi equal to xi minus 1, I equal to 1 to etc. to n. Next see the third note, so modulus of p equal to maximum of del x1, del x2, k, del xn, the norm of p. So, next fourth one, choose xi bar belongs to xi minus 1, xi, I equal to 1 to etc. to n. Xi bar is called a sample point. Next fifth integral term, definite integral formula is here, integral a to b f of x dx equal to limit of summation I varies from 1 to n f of xi bar into del xi. So, this is equal to the area of S. Therefore, S equal to x comma y such that x is sliced between a to b, y is sliced between 0 to f of x. Next sixth one, a closed rectangle R equal to a comma b cross c comma d equal to x comma y belongs to R square, and x is sliced between a to b, y is sliced between c to d. See the examples. So, next we go to the next topic is volume as double integral. The volume formula is here, capital V equal to volume of double integral is a dy into dx. So, this is equal to double integral is a dy into dx. So, this is a two variable formula. Okay. So, therefore, there are two notice exist. The first note one is Cartesian coordinates. So, what are the Cartesian coordinates is there, x and y for double integrals. Therefore, Cartesian coordinates formula is volume equal to V equal to double integral z into dx into dy. The next see the note to cylindrical coordinates. So, volume V equal to double integral z r into dr into d theta. So, r comma theta is a cylindrical coordinates. So, next see the area in Cartesian coordinates. The general formula is here, area equal to integral a to b integral y1 to y2 dx into dy. So, this is called the area in Cartesian coordinates. So, area by use of double integration, the formula is here. The area A of region x comma y, x is sliced between a to b and y is sliced between f1 of x to f2 of x is given by capital A equal to double integral a to b f1 of x to f2 of x into dy into dx. See the second formula, area of the region x comma y, y is sliced between c to d and x is sliced between the function of y, g1 of y to g2 of y. The formula is here, a equal to integral c to d integral g1 of y to g2 of y into dx into dy. Next third formula, area of the region using the polar coordinates r comma theta. The formula is a equal to integral alpha to beta f1 of r to f2 of r into r dr into d theta. Next the last formula is using the polar coordinates r comma theta. R is less between r1 to r2 and theta is less between the function of r, g1 of r to g2 of r is given by a equal to double integral r1 to r2 g1 of r to g2 of r into r dr into d theta. So, see the example problem. So, first problem, by using the area of Cartesian coordinates. So, find the area bounded by the lines. There are 3 lines is here. So, solution. So, we consider the lines y equal to x plus 2 taken equation number 1, y equal to minus x plus 2 taken equation number 2, x equal to 5 taken equation number 3. Solving the equation 1 and 2, we get the points a 0 comma 2, and solving the equation number 2 and 3, we get the points of c of 5 comma minus 3, and solving the equation number 1 and 3, we get the points of e of 5 comma 7. So, see the diagram, we consider the xy plane. We draw a strip parallel to y axis. On the strip, the limits of y are y equal to minus x plus 2 and y equal to x plus 2, and the limits of x are x equal to 0 and x equal to 5. So, required area equal to shaded portion of the figure. So, double integral dx into dy, this is equal to integral 0 to 5 into dx. The second term integral minus x plus 2 to x plus 2 into dy. So, this is equal to integral 0 to 5 dx into y. So, close the interval minus x plus 2 to plus x plus 2. So, apply the limits and integrating with respect to x and y on boards. Therefore, getting the final result is 25 square units. So, see the next problem. Find the area between the parabola y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. So, we have considered the two parabola equations. So, first equation 1 we consider and second equation we consider 2. On solving the equation number 1 and 2, we get the points of intersection 4a comma 4a. So, divide the area into horizontal strip of width delta y comma x varies from p comma y square by 4a to q comma root of 4ay, and then y varies from y equal to 0 to y equal to 4a. Therefore, the required area integral 0 to 4a into dy integral y square by 4a into root of 4ay. So, first inner integral is y square. So, integrating with respect to first term in y. Next second term we have to integrating with respect to y x. Therefore, solving the above equation. So, getting the final result is 16 by 3 into a square. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all.